Good afternoon everyone, myself Priyanka, Assistant Professor in Nursing Department of RPMS. Today we will discuss about the surgical management of herniated disc. So in which we discuss about some surgeries who can control the pain and treat the herniated or slipped disc. A patient may consider a candidate for the spinal surgery if they will have regular pain, limit normal activities or impair quality of life. Progressive neurological deficit develop such as leg weakness or numbness, loss of normal bowel and bladder functions, डिफ़िकल्टी इन स्टैंडिंग और वॉक करने में उसको दिक्कत होती है, मेडिकेशन एंड फिज़िकल थेरेपी आर इनइफेक्टिव. जब कोई भी फिज़िकल थेरेपी और मेडिकल थेरेपी इन्फेक्टेड होती है तब उनको देते हैं. द पेशेंट इज़ इन रिस्पॉन्सिबल गुड हेल्थ, रीजनेबली गुड हेल्थ. अगर अच्छी हेल्थ है उसकी तब उसको सर्जरी के लिए हम रिकमेंड करते हैं. सो पहली सर्जरी आती है हमारी लंबर स्पाइन सर्जरी. तो इन द लंबर लैमिनोटमी इज़ अ प्रोसीजर ऑफन यूटिलाइज्ड टू relieve the leg pains and sciatica caused by herniated disc. It is performed through a small incision down the center of back over the area of herniated disc. During this procedure, a portion of lamina may be removed. Once the incision is made through the skin, the muscles are moved to the side so that surgeon can see the back of vertebrae. A small opening is made between the two vertebrae to gain access to herniated disc. After the disc is removed through a discectomy, the spine may need to be stabilized. Spinal fusion often is performed in conjunction with the laminotomy. In more involved cases, a laminectomy may be performed. In artificial disc surgery, an incision is made through the abdomen and affected disc is removed and replaced. Only a small percentage of patients are candidates for artificial disc surgery. The patient must have disc degeneration in only one disc between L4, L5 and L5 or S1, the first sacral vertebra. The patient must have undergone at least 6 months of treatment such as physical therapy, pain medication, wear a back brace without showing improvement. The patients must be in overall good health with no sign of infection, osteoporosis or arthritis. If there is degeneration affecting more than one disc or significant leg pain, then the patient is not a candidate for this surgery. So this is all about this surgery in which we discuss about the criteria for the surgery and lumbar spine surgery, जिसको हम lumbar laminotomy भी बोलते हैं, कि कैसे कैसे करी जाती है. सेंटर ऑफ द बैक ओवर द एरिया ऑफ हर्निएटेड डिस्क की जाती है. इसमें मेनली क्या करते हैं, जो लैमिना होता है, एक पार्ट होता है वर्टिब्रल का, उसको रिमूव कर दिया जाता है. कहाँ से इंसिजन दिया जाता है, कैसे किया जाता है, जो हमने इस सर्जरी में डिस्कस किया. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट टुडेज़ टॉपिक. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड अबाउट दिस टॉपिक. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe our channel of RPI Academics. Thank you. Please hit the like button and stay tuned for us. Thank you.